Hey y'all, guess what? And guess who's still sick? And guess who gets to do box number 7? The one and done thing, I guess, was just a fantasy on my part. But we are going to open box number 7 from our death pile and see what we have in here that's worthy of listing. Alright, so let's get this started. You know what? He is the king of tape. I have never had a box with so many strips of tape that the knife didn't even want to cut it. Y'all gonna have to talk to him about how much tape he uses. Just ridiculous. Alright. First off, right here on top, we have a Pokemon. This is Pikachu. It's a backpack for storing things. Fluffy stuffed animal type. Has a price tag on it. So this comes from a thrift store. I'm not sure which one. We're going to list this, and this is probably going to be a very good seller. Pokemon usually sells very, very good for everybody. Alright, next we have a Canon PowerShot A20. Looks like has memory cards, a phone case, and the camera's still bubble wrapped. All of the instruction manuals are in it. Nothing on it saying how much we paid for it, but we probably got a really good deal on this. And I realize I say probably a lot, and I'm sorry for that, y'all. I don't do videos. I don't have training, and I probably say probably way too much. What is this? Another plush. This looks like a Jonas Brothers Build-A-Bear. Yes, it has the Build-A-Bear tag with a $2.50 price tag on it, so we thrifted this. This is probably retired. There I go, probably again. I'm so sorry. I feel like this is retired. So we're going to list this, and that'll be a good seller if you're a Jonas Brothers fan. This is made in Italy. It's a little brass pitcher. Not sure why we picked this up other than it's brass and made in Italy. But we'll see what this does. This is Haddock's Among the Brave, Simon & Schuster. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 book set. The complete series in the Shadow Children. The Shadow Children. Margaret Peterson. Whole set. Books do really good. People like to read. Lots of paper. That means we have lots of breakables. I picked this up. I remember this. This is a vintage perfume bottle. You fill it with your favorite cologne perfume and just spritz away. Pretend you're in Paris, or pretend you're in your bedroom wishing where you were in Paris. That was cheesy. I'm sorry. This is a Christmas platter. Lori Gates. This is Lori Gates. This will sell very quickly. It's Christmas, but it's also a good quality piece. This will get going. I remember what this is. This might be a surprise for both of us, though. These actually came, there's another one in here, from St. George Island. We picked these up while we were on vacation. They're glass, but it's almost like a ceramic backing, and the paint looks like it's underneath the glass. These are absolutely gorgeous. I am sure this camera does not do them justice. They're display pieces, and if I had a beach home, I would probably keep these. They're beautiful. This is from my very own personal collection. It is a Harley Davidson leather jacket. I got lots of rides out of this jacket. It is still in like new condition. These things, this Harley Davidson leather, it will take wear, tear, and abuse and look like it just came off the rack. This will sell very quickly. Looks like Chris is getting rid of his too. This is a men's leather jacket. This one is not Harley Davidson, but it has his Gulf War fat patch on it. This huge eagle. His Desert Storm. I'm really not sure why he's selling this, other than we just are tired of putting stuff in storage, because this has some sentimental value, but this is also a very good heavy leather jacket. But I'm going with the fact that he outgrew it and he can't wear it anymore. But this will make, and these patches, you know, you guys, if you come across leather jackets or chaps and they're not in that good condition, get them anyway and take the patches off. These patches sell like crazy. They sell for good money. If he was not interested in selling the jacket, he could take these patches and probably get as much money for them separately as he will for the whole jacket. Looks like another leather jacket. This is Silver Fox. This is a dressy leather jacket. This was mine as well. Looks good with jeans. Looks good going to church. You can pair these things with anything. Yes. Got some memories with this. Leather. This is Harley Davidson. It's a leather halter. Went to a few bike weeks with this thing. Got some good memories. It's Harley Davidson, size large. This will sell very quickly. We have a United States Air Force tag. Love our military. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for your service, past and present. I can't get started on that or I'll get teary-eyed. These are not for sale. Looks like our death pile inherited some stuff that didn't need to be in it. Oh wow, creepy. Dentists make you smile. It's a Christmas ornament tooth with a toothbrush. Look at the face on that, you guys. Look at that. Would you want that hanging on your Christmas tree? Go ahead and get this for your dentist. He's gonna love it, I promise you. Snowman wine bottle stopper. Very simple, very cute. Did not pay very much for it. It will sell, you know, just decent bread and butter type thing, but it'll go really quickly. I should probably hang this in our living room when Chris has the TV on. Y'all would not believe the decibels I have to listen to TV at. Ear protection sign. Everybody needs one. Come grab you one. I'm not sure if this is for sale either. Lord of the Rings Pez dispensers. Pez dispensers. This was Chris's, because y'all know he's a nerd. This whole Lord of the Rings, Star Trek, Star Wars, Star, blow it up, spaceship, whatever. That's him. This was his. But it's in this box, so I'm going to say we're going to sell it. Has Bilbo Baggins, Frodo Baggins, Samwise, Gandalf, Aragorn, Legos, Gimli, and the Gollum. Has a little thing about each one on there. Last but not least, it's not for sale. It is his turntable that he puts stuff on when he's doing live shows. So we got a mix in this bag, guys. If he's gonna sell this, he'll do it on Whatnot. Then that may be why some of this stuff is in here. Some of this stuff is not eBay material, but it is Whatnot material. So we'll have to, you guys have to talk to him about it if you need a turntable. I don't know. But that's everything. I'm sure at some point Chris will put out a video with announcements and things coming up. Hopefully this is my 2 and done video for you guys, but I guess we'll see. Hope you guys have a great day, a blessed day. Don't forget the like it, smash it, hug it, kiss it buttons at the bottom. I don't know why they are so important, because this is not my thing. I'm not supposed to know, but he stresses. Please give us likes, shares. And like I said, if you feel sorry for me for having to do this, and or you just appreciate that I did it, buy me a slice of pizza. I need a manicure really bad. See you guys later. Bye.